नमस्ते, स्वागत છે યहाँहरूलाई. Today, presenting yet another very important and resonating topic of our Nepalese society. You don't like politics, that's absolutely okay. But if you say you are not aware of it and you don't know what is happening in our society, nation, that is not okay. In fact, whatever political turmoil is happening in our nation since decades is because of this reason only. But start हुन्छ भने एक त we don't want to vote. And दोस्रो हामीले भोट गरी पनि हाल्यौं भने we completely live up to that person and ignore his steps. This political leader later becomes the greedy fox and starts vacating our nation's treasury. हाम्रो आँखा त्यतिखेर खुल्छ जब कोभिडले लडिरहेको हाम्रो देशमा 81 न्यूज आउँछ कि हाम्रो राष्ट्रपतिलाई करोडौंको कारपेट चाहियो भनेर. भनाभन गर्छौं, आन्दोलन गर्छौं, फेरि सुत्छौं. फेरि हामी जाग्छौं जब न्यूज आउँछ बोर्डर लकडाउन भयो रे, अब पेट्रोल डिजल लगायत दैनिक सामान पाउँदैन. Again we sleep and then comes border issue and then we start आन्दोलन, we become violent. But what is the result? त्यत्रो आफ्नो पर्सनल चीजहरु, पर्सनल जब, खाना पीना, रुटीन छोडेर we did आन्दोलन, we sacrificed so much, then what is the result? Neither country is justified nor the effort of our common people. What benefited is our greedy political leaders because they grab all the attention and get rightly benefited for his next elections. उनीहरुलाई पनि थाहा छ कि our people are sensitive and will get emotional for some days and then matter will calm down easily. Guys, it's not that we are not doing anything. The only issue of ours is lack of consistency. We are Bahadur Gorkhali. We Nepalese are peace lover. We are dignified and united also. ठूला इश्यूहरु हामीले आसानीसित सल्भ गर्यौं. लाइक 10 वर्षको माओइस्टको पिरियड हटाउनदेखि लिएर सालौंसम्म राज गरेको मोनार्की हटाउनसम्मदेखि लिएर we did in चुटकी. गर्दा गर्दै फेरि प्रब्लम कहाँनिर आउँछ त? प्रब्लम आउँछ हामी डिसिजन मेकिङ सम्म त लिएर जान्छौं, आन्दोलन गर्छौं, धेरै मेहनत गर्छौं, त्याग गर्छौं, बलिदान गर्छौं. We take the matter up to the decision making. But after decision making, हामीहरु त्यो अन्ध नेताहरुको हातमा, लिडरको हातमा कम्प्लिटली मेटर छोडिदिन्छौं. हामीहरु एक्जिक्युसनमा इन्भल्भ हुँदैनौं. We do not check and leave the matter after decision making. Decision making important to ho, it's very crucial, but it is the initial phase only. आउँछ एक्जिक्युसन. हामीले ब्लड, स्वेट, एभ्रीथिङ सेक्रिफाइस गरेर डिसिजन मेकिङ सम्म लिएर जान्छौं. त्यसपछि आउँछ एक्जिक्युसन. त्यहाँ हामी पुरै इग्नोर गर्छौं, हामी इन्भल्भ नै हुँदैनौं. त्यसपछि हामी रिजल्टको आश गर्छौं जो या त आउँदैन, या त एक्सपेक्टेड रूपमा आउँदैन, या त त्यो अझै एक्सटेन्ड हुँदै जान्छ. लाइक आवर कन्स्टिट्युसन, इट टुक सो मेनी इयर्स. या त रिजल्टै आउँदैन. लाइक माओइस्ट आन्दोलन, त्यत्रो साल, 10 साल त्याग गर्यौं तर के पायो हामीले? नथिङ. विडम्बना त त्यतिखेर हुन्छ जब हामीहरु जाग्छौं र हाम्रो सबै रिसोर्सेसहरु तबसम्म मिसयुटिलाइज भइसकेको हुन्छ. हामीसँग कुनै रिसोर्सेस बाँकी बचेको हुँदैन. 10 वर्षको जन आन्दोलनमा we lost so many resources like human resource, natural resource, historical monuments, our country's image, and our nation is still recovering from all those losses. much of our resources, and our country went approx 50 years back, and still we keep on saying, I don't have any interest in politics. How is that even justified? Age-old politicians join politics in retirement age, get serious illness, vacate our treasury for treatment, and then die. Loss बस हो. थिंक कि म त युथ हो, पढे लेखेर बाहिर जान्छु, उतै सेटल हुन्छु, and then issue is solved. Is it really a permanent solution? If we stay within territory or go abroad, our origin belongs to it, and directly or indirectly it is gonna affect us. The instability availing there is gonna affect us. They're enormous, like our government support to our NRNs during COVID pandemic, gonna affect all around. I was working at office when I got the news streaming that Vidya Devi Bhandari is elected as the first woman president of Nepal. So excited with the feeling of pride and that big smile that I can't express my feelings here. What happened next and how she started vacating our country's hard-earned treasury is what makes me mad at her these days. Nevertheless, केही राम्रो लिडरहरू पनि छ हाम्रो नेसनमा, like कुलमान घिसिङ. This leader has changed our nation in mere 2 years. Result हामीले experience गरिसकेका छौं. कोइराला, CNN hero of world, hero of our nation, the pride of our nation, the sector of human trafficking. Duk Ruit, Mahavir Kun, these are the living legends and heroes of our nation. The whole world is recognizing their greatness, but I don't know how much supportive is our government to them. I truly feel it is far better to donate like funds to these heroes' work rather than allocating budget to these political beggars. आन्दोलनको जरुरी आज पनि हाम्रो देशमा उत्तिकै छ. अझै बृहत आन्दोलनको जरुरी छ, बट भायोलेन्सको लागि होइन, इन्डस्ट्रियलाइजेसनको लागि. If we unite for 50%, just like we united during demolition of monarchy in our nation, it is gonna work tremendous. पुरै हाम्रो इकोनोमीलाई, पुरै हाम्रो पोलिटिक्सलाई, पुरै हाम्रो सिस्टमलाई स्ट्रिमलाइन गरिदिन्छ. We need infrastructure base and the development of several special economic zones in our country. त्यसको लागि good allocation of budget. Politics कुनै इग्नोर गर्ने टपिक सिस्टम होइन. It is not a filthy canal and it is not made to ignore. Just like other professional, political science is equally important. And it is highly important because politics is a system to build a nation, and nation belongs to us. Hope for solution in long run. We cannot ignore the current scenario. We must accept it and do our micro effort. Let's spread awareness. Let's challenge our system. Give them tough check so that nobody at that power can misutilize our resources. Hope for better nation, prosperous Nepal. Namaste.